Welcome to Suffolk County Music Service's presentation of the Greatest Showman Medley Part 2. In this lesson, we're going to practice what we learned last time and then learn how to sing and play This Is Me. So let's get ready to sing and play, and we'll start by singing This Is Me.
Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching out to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be me, I make no apologies, this is me.
Here is last week's song and instrumental section. Can you remember how to play them?
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. Why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world should be ours tonight.
Here is Mr. Lockington again to show you how to play the second instrumental part of our Greatest Showman medley. Now let's put the new sections together. Have a listen, then see if you can play along. You will hear the end of Rewrite the Stars from week 1 first, then comes the instrumental section, then finally the new vocal section. Remember to pause the video to give yourself time to try the new music.
Maybe the world should be ours tonight. Look out, 'cause here I come, and I'm marching out to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be me, I make no apologies, this is me.
Well done everyone, you've done a great job listening to each tutor and you've taken the time to pause and practice along the way. Remember, you can watch any part of this video as many times as you'd like to help you practice the piece at home. So keep up the good work and look out for the Greatest Showman Part 3 coming soon.